What do we do at RideTheWindEbikes? We do videos of showing you comparisons. There's a lot of choices out there. Actually, there's not really that many choices, to be honest. We're gonna show you comparisons from different brands. So we've got the Evoque Enza versus our Ecolo Connect. These are our two best sellers this year. And so what's better than having them side by side? They are so similar, right? You've got power windows, power locks, AC, steering wheel, remote start, rear view camera, all that great stuff. But which one's the right one for you? Clearly, this one is wider. This was 44 inches wide plus mirrors, 38 inches wide plus mirrors. You're clearly just going to get all around more room in the Enza. Elbow room, headroom, foot room. It's just bigger. It costs a little bit more, but it's not that much more money. So let's go through just visually which one. Perhaps you just like the styling of one or the other, but they do drive a little bit differently. This is a 2200 watt motor. This is a 1200 watt motor. This one's a little bit smaller, but their pickup is exactly the same. Although I do prefer the braking just a little bit on the Enza. It's got a little bit of a softer brake to it. Although the mechanisms for the braking is all the same. They're 4-wheel disc, hydraulic all around. Manual handbrake on both of them. But this one does glide really nicely. And distance is going to be about the same as well. These ones come in a 80 amp lead acid. These come in a 65 amp hour lead acid. So you are going to get the 80 to 100 kilometers per charge on both these units. So that's not really a deciding factor. Tires, they're almost the same design, but they have a bit of a different finish. These are actually a bit wider. These are a 135 versus a 125. This is a 70, this is a 60 12 inch. So point to the Enza, these are a wider, a little bit nicer tire. Disc brakes are the same, suspension is the same. Actually, the Enza has this really cool thing that if you are on a hill and you don't put on the e-brake, it stops it will roll back very, very slowly, where the Connect, if you don't put on the e-brake, it's in full neutral, it's heading backwards. So you can get handlebars on the Connect, so plus. There are no taxes on the Connect. However, we believe in the near future that's also going to apply to the Enza as well. Lights are the same, high beam, low beam, no fog lamps on either, rear backup camera on both, windshield wipers on both. The Connect has the wiper fluid coming from a nozzle here, and the Enza has the windshield fluid coming from the actual arm of it. It's just extended right there. Windshield fluid is a little bit easier to put on the Enza, where the Connect, if you can see through the window there, it's a little bit trickier to get to the refilling the windshield fluid there. All right, moving on. Clearly more headroom in this one, but no moonroof or sunroof, right? So you can open this one. I'll show you. You can open this one just to get a little bit more airflow. So that's kind of nice. They both have the rear view window that you can open as well. Moving back this way, doors, sound the same, got the same seals on the inside, so the doors are the same that way. Rear passenger space is almost the same in terms of leg room, but obviously you've got a little bit wider rear in this one. The Enza comes with an onboarding charger, so it's on board. You don't have the box that comes out the end like you do with the Connect. These both just plug into a regular 110 outlet. There's no extra electrical that you have to have done whatsoever. Battery placements are the same as well. They're both 60 volt as well. You've got 4 under the rear seat, 2 under the passenger, so their weight distribution is the same as well. When you are in reverse, they work the same way. Your reverse light is only on the right hand side, so don't worry, neither of your units are broken. They're supposed to be that way. So let's get into the interior. The Connects can come with a beige interior or a black interior. There's a little bit more going on with this one, where you've got your fog lamps here, but there aren't fog lamps. Heat's over here. It is pretty straightforward, but there's just more going on and a few more accents. Ecolo has put on this shade because the screens are pretty reflective, where the Enza has it just has a clearer screen that you can see. Everything you need is here, but your voltage is a little bit smaller. But again, same size screens in both as well. And there's no radio. It says there's a radio, but there isn't a radio. Yeah, so just tighter all around. your leg foot space here. Now, some people like this. They've got somewhere that they can put their left foot, and then they just move between their accelerator and brake over here. When we take you to the Enza, you'll see that it's just much wider. I would say quality of interior is exactly the same on both, but this seat is only about 14 inches wide. So if you got a bigger butt, you're going for the Enza for sure. So as you can see, the seat is definitely wider. The whole unit is wider. The footroom is wider. You got some nice storage here. Not quite the accents where the Connect has like matching accents to the exterior color to the interior. That's really quite nice, to be honest. Swivel seat in this one, non-swivel in that one. And again, fit and finish, right? So just you're looking at the seams, like how well do they come together? Same in both. So which one do you buy? Well, we know you buy from RideTheWindEbikes because we have stock. We can ship across Canada. We've got all the colors. And if you are able to come here, you can actually test drive both of them. That is absolutely welcomed. We love it. So I hope this helps make your decision to which one you're looking to get. Thank you for watching.